Hello, everyone. I hope that this live finds you well through your week, through the middle of your work week for some of you, and some of you work odd hours like I do. So, this is my Monday, and I'm back on board in clinic with clients, beautiful clients coming today. So, I'm looking forward to that. So I'm hopping on my usual little bag of jewels. Let's see what the little bag of jewels, the gift that this has for me. I was blessed during my time off. My son works with crystal rock, and he made me, maybe you can't see it, but he made me these beautiful lapis lazuli earrings on his days off, and he's just really refining his art, and he will have an online store soon, so I'll be able to share that with you. So let's see what we have today. What's our little gift, our little insight from the universe today, from that divine spark within us that connects us all. Oh, isn't this beautiful? So, Luciano di Crescenzo. We are each of us angels with only one wing, and we can fly only by embracing each other. Isn't that just beautiful? So, immediately, what comes to mind, what I feel resonating through me, and what I feel downloading through me is unity. So, by coming together in community, in unity, which is what all our meditations are about, our monthly lunar meditations for the new moon and the full moon, is to bring people together in community to connect with our unity, because we have more in common with each other than we actually have not in common with each other. So if we can begin to function from that place, which is so beautifully put here, that we are all angels, we all are struggling in some way to make sense of what's going on here on this earth plane and the life that we've come to live. But when we embrace each other and work together and come together, we have two wings, which gives us flight, which brings us back to the divine center and that power that lies within us. And together, as a group, as a collective, we are so powerful. We are so conscious. We are so aware, and we can take that awareness and touch the lives of others who are struggling, believing they're alone, when actually all of us can come together and support each other. And what we see in another is also within us, that reflection. And sometimes it's the shadow. We're seeing the shadow in someone else that actually truly lies within us that we haven't yet uncovered or acknowledged, that's coming up for healing. And sometimes when we get triggered by another, it's a sure sign that there's something within us, an old trauma, a childhood trauma, that is unhealed, that hasn't been healed yet. So same with the beauty. When we see the beauty, the joy, the vibrance, the love in someone else's heart, we know that that's a reflection within us also. But we're reluctant, aren't we, often to actually embrace that beauty as lying within us. Sometimes we get so caught in the rhetoric of the critical parent in our minds telling us we're not good enough, we're not doing enough, we're not fast enough, we'll never be good enough, and beautiful enough, not thin enough, not big enough, not feminine enough, not masculine enough. Oh my gosh, and on and on and on. That rhetoric that runs around in the head that stops us from just being with no judgment, that there is no right or wrong, that the way we are is the way we are, and everything that we've chosen and everything that's ever happened is a divine lesson, an opportunity to look at something, to realize the patterns and the programming that brought that about in the first place, and then to choose something different. That's what I've been working on lately, is just really taking time out to sit with me, to be with me, to get to know me, to really start to, probably for the first time in my life, to acknowledge me, to acknowledge how far I have actually come, instead of constantly looking forward to where I have yet to go, because it's never ending. We're here to learn and evolve and grow and shine our light. And so I hope this blesses you today, that you are an angel with one wing, and that when you come together with other angels, you become united. You can function from the divine. We're here to align with each other. We're here to connect with each other. We're here to love each other and be an allowance of each other, and just not worry about the differences, instead focusing on what is actually alike, because we have so much more in common with each other than we don't. So that's been my focus over the last few months, of really just unpeeling a lot of those judgments and presumptions and expectations that I've had, identifying them and realizing they're not doing me any good. They're part of my programming, they're part of my patterning. And if I can center in my heart and I can be all of me, my authentic self, and I can then also embrace, love, and be non-judgmental of everyone else, and embrace their authentic selves and encourage them to be their authentic selves. So I'm just going to read that again, because I just feel it's so, so beautiful. This Luciano di Crescenzo has this beautiful, beautiful gift for us today. We are each of us angels with only one wing, and we can fly only by embracing each other. So I wish you a day of feeling embraced, feeling loved, feeling blessed. May you have joy in your step. The clouds are sort of clearing in my part of the world. I'm hoping for a sunny day, because the sunshine always adds more joy to my day, more joy to the garden. So I hope this has been a little treasure that you can take away and really create a beautiful day for yourself. Sending lots of love to all of you. Enjoy your day, and I look forward to connecting with you tomorrow. Bye now. Bye from Bec D Transformation. Have a great day, and thank you for listening in, connecting with me, and giving me your time. Bye.